This is that American 1105 series that was giving me a really hard time there last week. I promised I'd get it for y'all, just to see what it was inside. These are my new KLOM picks from Lockpicks 08. If you're after picks, I suggest you go see him. He's a really good guy and has some very high quality products. And the prices are excellent. And he's over in the UK. Okay, there we have it. That's that American 1105. That just shows you the effectiveness of these beautiful KLOM picks he sent. I'll go through those, but first let's have a quick peek inside here and see what we got for pins. This is actually the first time I've ever opened this lock. Now, so what I suspect is in here is probably a serrated regular on each end and spools in the middle. That's my guess. I'm guessing there's serrated, spool, 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 and serrated. But that's just a guess. First chamber is empty. Next chamber is a regular spool pin. Following chamber is a serrated, followed by another serrated, followed by another serrated. What do you know? Followed by a spool. So that was the reverse of what I thought, but very, very close. I thought, well, as I said, I thought there would be a serrated on each end and spools in the middle, but as it turns out, there's a spool on each end and 3 serrateds in the middle. Okay, so again, these picks are KLOM, K-L-O-M. This is a dimple rake, an offset diamond, and a couple of hooks. Now these are absolutely stunning. Here's some cheaper ones. I'm sure these are much more affordable, but still fairly good quality. But they don't come close to these KLOMs. Whoever designed these and manufactures them did a hell of a job. They don't have that one-sidedness that most cheaper tools have because they're punched out in one direction. You'll get one smooth side and then one side that has a bit of a sharp edge. Not so with these. And I don't know if you can see from there, but if you can see the varying thicknesses of these, just no skimping on the amount of the steel or the quality. Nice thick. And also it's tapered in thickness. Towards the tip it gets a little thinner, which is really nice. Another thing I'd like to say about the grips is they're thin and they have these holes here, so you're right next to the steel. You get excellent feedback, and the holds are all in the right spots. Obviously designed by someone who spent a lot of time with a pick in their hand, which is the way it should be. So yeah, KLOM, Picks, absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Lockpicks08. And anybody looking for picks like this or anything to do with picking, talk to Lockpicks08 and he'll set you up. So peace, have fun, and don't break the law.